Hello everybody, welcome to another video. For this video we're going to make some explosion Valentine's Day treat boxes. What I'm going to be using for this project is my Samsung tablet. We're going to use this to run Cricut Design Space. I'm going to need my Cricut Maker 3 and my blade plus my score stylist. You can use this as well. It's a score wheel, but I prefer to use the score stylus because I can have both of them in at the same time. When you use the score wheel, you've got to swap between the wheel and the blade because the wheel goes right here. I'm going to need one red, two white, and two pink 30 centimeter by 30 centimeter cardstock, or 12 inch by 12 inch, however you measure things. I use centimeters because Cricut Design Space is set in centimeters. I'm also going to be using two mats, so I can have one mat ready to go when the one in the Cricut Maker is done. It makes for a faster cutting time. I'm also going to be using my printer and some sticker paper. When the project is all done and cut, I'm going to be using tape to put it together, but you can also use glue if you prefer. So this is the explosion box in Cricut Design Space. I'm going to show you guys how to make this, and you can customize the colors and the decorations to be whatever you want. I personalized this to what I want it. So let's jump over to Cricut Design Space and design this Valentine's Day explosion box. I got my first two mats ready to go, pink and red, but before I get into cutting, I'm just going to go over and print my tags. It'll take some time for the printer to print these, and I can be cutting while they're printing. I always switch my print quality to high, and I'm going to switch the type of paper over to glossy to get a more vibrant, colorful print. So, printer's going. Over to mat 1. We're going to hit medium cardstock. And then I'm going to load it in. Don't forget about your score tool. I don't need it for this mat. I just want to put it in there so it's ready. So we've got all the pieces here. Let's put it together. First thing we'll do is the box. Now it's scored, so we can easily fold it up. So I want to put these on the outside, on top of the pink sides, and on the inside I'm going to put the hearts. There you go. An explosion gift box you can make for somebody for Valentine's Day, and you can fill it up with whatever you like. So there's my Valentine's Day explosion gift box. If you enjoyed the video or you found it helpful, remember to hit that like button. If you want to see more crafting related content, hit that subscribe button below. I do all kinds of crafting content on this channel. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this gift box. I think it's so cool. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Happy crafting.